So yung view dun sa planta.
So yung last month. So may additional 13.56 megawatt. Yes.
Si Bande, identical natin yung para
24 units po. 2 megawatt. Yung phase 1 namin sir 2 megawatt. Tapos yung expansion namin is 2.26 megawatt. Yung phase 1 namin sir is 36. Tapos yung phase 2 is 30.56 megawatt.
Yung first phase, and then the second phase, we just started, medyo mahaba yung second phase.
malayo.
Yes sir, medyo kalat-kalat na siya kasi we are following the terrain kasi yung malalakas na hangin.
Something happened, and then completed it last year. Pero we're still getting the COC now. So medyo mahaba na process. It's
Yes sir, kung ano yun, pero dahil nga po sa terrain sir, may mga dead spot din, medyo mahigpit.
Pero it's still na 40,000
Maximum na output namin. Sa ngayon sir, yung sa area,
project manager of Petro Wind Energy. Together with me from our head office, Ma'am Margie is our SVP for Operations and Business Dev. Our VP for Operations, Sir Paul Morala. Our VP for Communications and Chief Information Officer, Ma'am Van. AVP for Markets, Power Markets, Sir Dave Gadiano. Yung coordinator ko sa IMAX.
Ako po yun.
And Sir Carlo Vanessa, our manager's business development also. Si Jason from Power Markets, trader. Who else? Sir Lou, our one of our engineer at site, electrical superintendent. Si Ma'am Helen and Miss Rio from head office as well. Yeah. Our safety officer from the site personnel. At the same time, our nurse, Charles Pasalo. Miss Maria Lee, our site accountant. Sino pa bang nag-site dyan? Yeah, go ahead sir. You can introduce your team also. Thank you.
And thank you, Jason. So I'll introduce our party. So we are actually the leadership of IMOPC here, our directors and executives or officers. We're headed by retired Lieutenant General Chairman Lau, Chairman of the IMOP Board. And then we have the President and CEO of IMOP, Sir Robinson Descanso. We have our directors, Sir Johnny Tuason, on Baby Lim, director also of the IMOP Board, and Ma'am Maricar. And then our vice presidents, we have the Vice President for Trading Operations, and then we have our VP for Administration, Sir Sherwin. Our VP for Legal, Attorney Cheryl. And then VP for Finance, Mamean Santiago. And then VP for Internal Audit, Sir R. Pintado. Then I'm Arjun Valencia, Corporate Communications Manager of IMO. It's been 7 years.
Okay lang naman mag-video. Okay lang?
si Sir Mario.
Vacation lang yan mag-aaral. Yung control room nyo, Siemens di may gawa?
Yes, sir. Ito, yung control building.
O yung mga equipment.
Yung mga equipment, sir, yes. Supply ni Siemens,
Siemens,
Gamesa,
yeah.
at saka Vestas.
Okay naman yung Siemens.
Okay naman, sir. Pero medyo old lang yung
Old na.
ginawa nilang schedule.
Yung sa Meralco, di ba Siemens? Siemens din sa Siemens na.
Yun nga, sir, eh. Nandun sa office nila.
So makikita mo ito yung anim na turbina mula ng Labas 2 and 18 turbines mula ng Labas 1. So makikita natin dito yung mga generator na turbines tapos yung constant wind speed and then direction ng hangin.
Yung output natin. So, this one, itong mga cubicles na to are part of the Labas 1. And then ito yung dedicated na switchgear for Labas 2 na 6 turbines. Ito. So Labas 2 ito. And we installed also as required by GCP yung
Ay,
Sobrang init, sir. Baka manilo po kayo. Ayun po.
thank you. Mainit pa.
Sir, ito po sa'yo.
Ay, meron naman.
Hindi,
Ay,
para po
thank you.
nakabukas.
No? Ay, yata siya nagkakontrol. No? Ay, ano na daw ba? Para babalik ka. Abibig na, abibig.
Okay, sige. Let's go.
I'd like to thank everybody for coming here and listening to the presentation of John. I hope you learned something about it. And kung kulang pa yun, feel free to go to us.
Okay.
Or then the fora that we undertake throughout the year para malaman nyo lahat tungkol sa energy. Or punta kayo doon sa amin, I know you know, and I'd like to thank Piltungan for hosting us dito ngayon. And alam nyo, magkapit-bahay lang po kami pala sa Pasig. But the truth is, alam nyo po, mas nare-recall namin yung mga companies na maraming problema kasi yun yung
A mother company and Petromil is one of our subsidiaries. So, mga bata, mga anak namin, mga ganyan. Well, we thank you kasi yung mga ganito pong klaseng mga interactions with different agencies, especially with IMAP, na talagang isa yan sa lifeline naming mga generators, di ba? Sa'yo nanggagaling yung mga ano lang namin, kita. So, I guess we're thankful for your presence po. Some of us here, it's not really the first time that we've heard of this kasi we're in the business already, di ba? Pero it's good to know details na talagang nasi-share nyo sa amin. So, we thank you for that one. And I guess that's it. Salamat po din sa lahat ng tulong nyo sa amin. We have our new projects. Sa lahat ng registration. Ang bilis po ni IMAP. Di ba, Dave? I mean, ang bilis nyo po talaga. So, we thank you for that. You're very professional. And we'll be building more, well, hopefully more power plants. So, we still need your assistance there po. So, thank you so much. Salamat. Wala tayong picture taking. Di ba? Mag-picture taking tayo